If you've been using Claude with Figma, you likely already know that Claude can read your layers, generate code, explain components, and do a whole lot more. But what if I told you that Claude can actually edit your designs in Figma without even touching Figma at all? To do this, you'll need three things. The first, obviously, is Claude Code. You also need a Figma project. And lastly, you need a Figma MCP server connected to Claude. Let me show you how it works. To set up the Figma MCP server in Claude Code, you go over to the Figma docs right here. So the first thing is to run this command in our terminal. So I copy and go back to my project, and I start up my terminal and just paste in what I copied. So this will install the Figma plugin into my project, which is the first step. And the next thing is to start up Claude Code. So I'm going to run Claude. And now I actually want to activate the Figma plugin, so I'm going to use /plugins. The focus right here is the install tab, and to get to it, I'm going to use the right arrow key. And now I'm going to search for Figma. So you see that we need to authenticate our Figma MCP. So I'm actually going to press enter to authenticate. So we agree and allow access. No thanks. So you see authentication successful, and now our Figma MCP server is connected to Claude AI. Once everything is connected, we can start editing our Figma designs directly in Claude. But first, let me show you the Figma design that we'll be editing today. So I have the Figma design right here. So this is a simple page that I designed for my website, and it's a shop page, right, where people can shop my digital products. So there's so many products right here. So I'm actually going to ask Claude to add a filter to this design such that I can filter by related products. So the first thing you need to do is to actually copy the link to this selection. So right click on the entire frame right here and click on copy or paste as. Then you want to go over to copy link to selection. So I'm going to tell Claude Code that this is the design I want you to edit for me. I paste in the node, and what I want it to do is to add a filter to the page so I can filter by related products. And you see that it has loaded the right skill from the Figma plugin that we initially installed. So yes, I'm going to authorize this and this as well. Claude is actually building a filter bar for us in Figma, and it's doing all of this without me even being inside Figma. Claude just finished adding this feature into my design, and you see right here that this is a filter tab. So I can filter by ebooks, by masterclasses, by videos, and by free products. So this workflow is so useful for designers and developers to collaborate fast. So let's say you're building or developing something and you notice that the spacing on your design is off, you can definitely go into Claude Code and adjust that spacing directly in Claude, and you'll see it reflects in your Figma design. If you've already connected Claude to Figma, then try this workflow and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. My name is Esther, and on this channel I teach you how to work faster and smarter using AI tools. I'll see you in the next one.